the ever-evolving world of construction technology, Japanese companies Tmsuk and Kajima Corporation have collaborated to introduce an innovative ceiling construction robot. This state-of-the-art robot is specifically designed to address one of the most physically demanding and time-consuming tasks on construction sites: installing ceiling boards. This robot operates on an automated platform equipped with advanced robotics and AI. The system first scans the work area to generate a precise layout map. Once the data is processed, the robot moves into action. It autonomously picks up ceiling boards, aligns them with pinpoint accuracy, and secures them in place using pneumatic tools. What makes this robot revolutionary is its efficiency. Capable of installing boards faster than human workers, it significantly reduces project timelines. Additionally, it eliminates the need for scaffolding by operating directly at ceiling height, improving safety for workers who traditionally performed these tasks manually at dangerous elevations. The Tmsuk and Kajima robot is not limited to flat ceilings. It adapts seamlessly to complex architectural designs, ensuring high-quality results in diverse environments. Its AI-powered vision system enables millimeter-level precision, which is critical for ensuring structural integrity and aesthetic appeal. By automating ceiling installation, this robot addresses labor shortages, enhances productivity, and minimizes errors. It's a clear example of how robotics is transforming construction, allowing skilled workers to focus on more critical tasks while repetitive jobs are handled by machines. This groundbreaking technology represents the future of construction, where robotics and human expertise work hand in hand to build safer, faster, and smarter. Vuba resin-bound surfacing is an innovative and versatile solution used for creating beautiful, durable, and low-maintenance outdoor surfaces. Designed for driveways, patios, pathways, and public spaces, it combines natural aggregates with a specialist resin binder to form a seamless, porous surface. This technology not only offers visual appeal but also practical benefits. One of the standout features of Vuba resin-bound surfacing is its permeability. The porous structure allows water to drain naturally through the surface, reducing runoff and the risk of flooding. This feature makes it a sustainable urban drainage system (SUDS) compliant solution, ideal for areas requiring environmental sensitivity and enhanced water management. The surface is smooth, slip-resistant, and wheelchair-friendly, making it accessible and safe for pedestrians, including those with mobility aids. It is highly resistant to cracks, weeds, and color fading, providing long-term durability with minimal maintenance. Regular cleaning and occasional power washing keep it looking pristine. Vuba offers a range of aggregate colors and textures, enabling creative and custom designs to suit any aesthetic preference, from traditional to contemporary. The installation process involves mixing resin with chosen aggregates on-site, laying it to a depth of around 18 to 24 millimeters, depending on application requirements. Its versatility extends to commercial, residential, and urban projects. Unlike traditional paving methods, Vuba resin-bound surfacing creates a visually continuous look without loose stones, ensuring stability and preventing scatter. Resin-bound surfacing is environmentally friendly, using non-toxic, UV-resistant resins that minimize environmental impact. The use of recycled and natural materials in the aggregate options further promotes sustainability. This surfacing is an ideal choice for anyone seeking a visually stunning, functional, and eco-friendly solution that offers longevity, low maintenance, and customization. It's a modern alternative to traditional concrete or asphalt, providing a long-lasting, stylish surface that meets contemporary design and environmental standards. American Precast Concrete is a trusted leader in providing innovative, durable, and cost-effective concrete solutions. With decades of experience, they specialize in crafting precast concrete products that elevate construction projects across residential, commercial, and industrial sectors. Precast concrete is a high-performance construction material cast in a controlled environment, ensuring consistency, strength, and efficiency. This method not only saves time but also enhances the quality of each product, making it ideal for modern construction needs. American Precast Concrete distinguishes itself through superior craftsmanship, customized solutions, and unparalleled customer service. Each product is designed with precision, meeting rigorous standards for durability, safety, and aesthetics. Whether it's fencing, walls, or architectural features, their designs integrate seamlessly into any environment. Sustainability is at the core of American Precast philosophy. By using eco-friendly materials and practices, they minimize waste and reduce the carbon footprint of construction projects, aligning with today's green building initiatives. Their products serve a wide range of applications, including security walls, sound barriers, retaining walls, and more. These precast solutions not only provide structural integrity but also add visual appeal to any project. With a commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainability, American Precast Concrete is redefining the standards of construction. When you choose American Precast, you're choosing a partner dedicated to bringing your vision to life, stronger, smarter, and faster. American Precast Concrete, building the future, one panel at a time. Are you ready to transform your outdoor spaces with style, durability, and sustainability? Aspire pavers are here to redefine the way you think about paving. Designed for both residential and commercial applications, Aspire pavers are made from high-quality composite materials that deliver exceptional performance. Unlike traditional concrete or stone pavers, Aspire pavers are lightweight, easy to install, and resistant to cracking, fading, and staining. This means they maintain their beauty and functionality year after year, with minimal maintenance required. Aspire pavers come in a variety of modern colors, patterns, and textures to suit any design vision. Whether you're creating a cozy backyard patio, a chic poolside retreat, or a functional driveway, their versatility ensures a seamless fit for your project. Plus, their innovative interlocking system not only ensures stability but also makes installation a breeze, even for DIY enthusiasts. What truly sets Aspire pavers apart is their commitment to sustainability. These eco-friendly pavers are crafted using recycled materials, reducing environmental impact while delivering premium quality. You can build with confidence knowing you're choosing a product that's both beautiful and responsible. Aspire pavers are also engineered to withstand the elements. They offer excellent slip resistance and are built to endure extreme temperatures, ensuring safety and durability in any climate. So why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your outdoor spaces with Aspire pavers? Bring your dream designs to life with a product that's stylish, sustainable, and built to last. Choose Aspire pavers, where beauty meets innovation. The Zip system is an innovative solution revolutionizing the construction industry by combining superior building envelope performance with unmatched ease of use. Created by Huber Engineered Woods, this advanced system integrates weatherproofing and structural sheathing into a single, efficient product. At its core, the Zip system consists of engineered wood panels with a pre-applied weather-resistant barrier. These panels replace traditional sheathing and house wrap, saving time and ensuring a more consistent installation. To complete the system, Zip system flashing tape or liquid flash seals the seams, creating a continuous air and water barrier. This innovative approach delivers several key benefits. First, it offers superior weather protection, shielding structures from wind, rain, and moisture intrusion. Unlike traditional wraps, the Zip system provides a seamless, durable barrier that reduces the risk of leaks and failures over time. Another standout feature is energy efficiency. The airtight seal helps prevent drafts and energy loss, improving the home's insulation and lowering heating and cooling costs. The system complies with stringent energy codes, making it ideal for builders focused on sustainable, high-performance construction. Moreover, the Zip system simplifies the building process. It cuts down on installation steps, reducing labor time and costs. Builders appreciate its durability and reliability, even in extreme conditions, while homeowners benefit from long-lasting protection and energy savings. From residential homes to commercial projects, the Zip system is a trusted choice, delivering efficiency, performance, and peace of mind for builders and property owners alike. Pave and Go is a revolutionary modular paving system designed to simplify and speed up the installation process while delivering exceptional durability and aesthetics. Unlike traditional paving methods that require extensive groundwork and time, Pave and Go introduces pre-assembled panels that effortlessly click together, reducing labor and installation costs. Each panel consists of a high-quality concrete surface combined with a resilient polymer base, ensuring both strength and flexibility. The system is engineered to handle heavy loads and resist wear, making it ideal for a variety of applications such as driveways, walkways, patios, and public spaces. What sets Pave and Go apart is its smart design. The interlocking mechanism guarantees perfect alignment and stability, eliminating the need for adhesives or professional expertise. Plus, the panels are weather-resistant, featuring a drainage system to prevent water pooling and reduce maintenance. Available in a wide range of textures, colors, and finishes, Pave and Go allows you to achieve the look you desire without compromising on quality. Whether you prefer a classic cobblestone style or a sleek, modern appearance, Pave and Go provides the flexibility to customize your outdoor spaces effortlessly. Eco-conscious users will appreciate that Pave and Go uses sustainable materials and a production process that minimizes waste, contributing to a greener environment. Additionally, the modular nature of the panels makes replacements and repairs quick and hassle-free. In summary, Pave and Go is the ultimate paving solution for those seeking a quick, stylish, and sustainable alternative to traditional methods. Transform your outdoor spaces with ease, precision, and lasting results. This innovative system truly paves the way for a smarter future.